not like and subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I'm going to talk about Raydium. So what Raydium is and how can you benefit in its farming and liquidity pool. So let's get started, right? So Raydium is one of the cryptocurrency just like a Uniswap or pancake swap or sushi swap, right? So basically Uniswap is Ethereum, pancake swap for Binance, and basically Raydium is for Solana, right? So as you know, Solana literally had like 4,000% gain. So this is really evolving ecosystems, and there's a lot of liquidity already unlocked. Really, if you look at the chart, maybe I should go to the coin market cap. Let me kind of show you coin market cap. And let's look at the Raydium. I think they started on last year 2021 February. Raydium, so RAY is the ticker, and they're right around 512. I think it's a great price for there, but I'm gonna just kind of show you Raydium and how to swap coin and how to use Solana, right? So you use MetaMask for Ethereum or uh, anything, right? L2 layer solution for Ethereum, but this is basically they rewrote the whole architecture. The fee are super cheap, like they're like uh, I don't know, thousandth of a penny, right? So you do 1,000 transaction, you'll spend pennies, right? So if you are frustrated with high fee of Ethereum or even Ethereum, then I think basically Binance Smart Chain solve a lot of those problems. But if you really do complex swap, you could still incur $1 or so, right? So then we have Polygon, which is like some cents, right? 10-15 cents, but here it's just game changing, right? Really scalable, and it's like pennies. So I have been really researching a lot of this change and what's going on, and that's how I found the Raydium. And really look at the chart really doesn't look really great, but we are kind of going to that basically IPO low 4. And I think if it doesn't hold, probably we're gonna go this what's the price, 260, still almost 50% downside, but it went all-time high of 14. Really doesn't mean much, but I think really if you look at the liquidity and whatnot, really lot of people are involved in it. Market cap pretty low right now, 413 million. So if it goes to 4 billion, that's 10x, right? So really like good potential there too. And this is fully diluted market cap, of course, 2.8 billion, but not all coins are there. And circular supply, if you look at this, the 15%, right? They are just trying to reward the people who join early, right? So that's why you get really huge reward for a lot of liquidity pools and whatnot, right? So let's get basically let's go to the Raydium and kind of explore, right? So Raydium is not only swap, right? It's a lot of things. I'm gonna kind of go over all those, but light speed swaps really quick, next level liquidity, really good liquidity, and frictionless yield, right? Good yield. If you want to read about docs, go here and you can do that, but you can see that total value logged is more than $1 billion, a billion and 1.1 billion, right? Really good. So if you look at the total trading volume, that's of course like so far total trading, it's like 40 billion plus, right? So that's a lot of and it is built on Solana. And the other things you can really do is like you can of course trade, which is basically you can swap these coins, and you could do yield, you could do yield farming, right? You have the pool, you can provide liquidity. I'm going to show you how to provide a liquidity and also how to do the yield, right? So and also not only that, this is also a launch pad for Solana project, right? Launch pad for a new Solana project, so you could even do this. So there's a lot of things going on here. Now if you look at yeah, and the other thing is, so Radium's AM, right, automated market maker, interact with Serum central limit order book. So Pool have access to basically Serum data. I don't know how they implement it. So basically, it just gives you the best price, right? Best price swaps. If they have best price here, they will give. Otherwise, if they found best price within Serums, I think that's how they do it. And really liquidity is really good, and they partner with Solana and Serum, of course, and Serum is really good, really reputed, a lot of people's backing up, and same with the Solana, right? So that's it. Basically, that's all about. I'm gonna now kind of show you like go inside app and whatnot, and yeah, this is the app, right? This is for Schwab. Um, so they have a trading too. I don't know what really is trading, but basically, I guess you could just buy, right? Oh, so they have a DEX too. Wow, I did not really knew that. Okay, that's something new. So they have a DEX too. So you could basically connect. So this is decentralized. This is not really exchange, but this is decentralized. You can connect your wallet and basically, buy, sell whatever your coin. If you have USDC, you can buy Ray, and I guess you could yeah, you could just select whatever it is, right? So JSOL, I don't know what that coin is, but basically there's a chart and everything's really poor liquidity. But if you look at Ray ETH, you could do Ray ETH, probably pretty good liquidity, and you have the price kind of going down, and you can see these are some of the, so they have a DEX exchange as well. That's pretty cool. And now you have DEX where you can trade. Now you had a swap, right? That's the thing we are doing, basically swap. I think I have few. I was just kind of playing around early, so I had some. So, but I think I do have a few soul. So I'm gonna kind of show you just to you could use with your lot of money, but so you could use Phantom wallet or whatever wallet you have. So I think that's wrong. Okay, I think that's right. So I connected, right? So I connected just same as how you would connect. And now I don't have any ray, but I think I have few soul. So I have about 0.99 soul. So I'm gonna show you, right? I'm gonna do 0.25, right? Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna do 0.25. That's so just wanna put some soul. So this is my soul, right? So what I'm gonna do is I wanna swap 0.25 soul to ray token, right? So you click here and it's gonna pop up and you select ray. I don't have ray. You could of course select whatever you want. And now uh, okay, after ray I think I have to do same again. So I have 0.25. Let's make it 10 ray. So uh, 30 maybe, 35, 40, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, yeah, I don't know why I wanted 10, but I don't know, whatever. So you see that, right? So I want to swap 0.38 sol to ray, which is 10.2237. That's the rate. One sol is 26, blah blah blah. This is sleep list tolerance. You see really higher in other exchanges, it's pretty low, and price impact is really. So all you do is click swap. Once you do that, uh, it will basically pop up. Yeah, it updated the price. Then you have to do swap again, and now approve transactions, right? Approve transaction. I will approve it. Transaction has been sent, and it's really quick. It would, yeah, see, swap, it's already done, right? So really quick. That's what I really like about, like, this is probably the really fastest. And also I think this UI is maybe a little bit slow. That's why it's kind of showing a little bit delay, but otherwise it's like super fast, right? So now if you look at, I have some soul, I have some ray. So what I can do is I can provide liquidity, right? So basically liquidity, basically providing, basically means you are providing some liquidity. That's all it is, right? So if I do 10, yeah, so I selected 10 max. So basically providing liquidity, you provide the same amount in Sol, same amount in Ray, right? Same. So pool liquidity, LP supply, that is the pool liquidity. This is the LP supply. And basically if I do supply, it's gonna ask me for another transaction. I have to approve it, and once you approve it, so making transactions, so it's gonna go there. So I have actually, I will get LP token, which I can put in a farm for really high. When you do basically liquidity provider, you will just get some money, right? I mean, so my liquidity raise. So if you stick LP in the farm and stake them to see this. So this is, yeah, so this is basically pooled this rate. This is my pool token is 5.777 whatever it is. My pool share is less than zero, really tiny. So I can add or I can remove it. Basically this is just providing the liquidity, right? Of course, if one coin dies, both can die. There's impermanent loss, right? So you have all those, but if not, if you believe in the coins, it's a really great way to earn. But if you look at the farm, you could really make some juicy. If you look at, you see a lot of the APIs are really high. I would not really suggest you to go, like for example, this bot USDC is 318%, right? But the problem is, I don't know, maybe bot is a really great project. I have no idea about it, right? But most of the project are scam, and what happened is you basically lose everything, kind of, right? So your USDC value decreases, and if the bot goes like 50% or 80% down, right? So you put 10,000, you are getting 380%, but its value is basically 1,000. So I mean, what you're gonna do, like you will get 3,000 in 1 year, right? So it has to, you want some project which you believe, right? Here, race serum, right? That's pretty good APR. I believe in the both the project. That's pretty good, I think, right? But anyway, so we are doing race soul, right? So I actually added a little bit today. So I added about $1,000 worth, basically just to see I'm already earning some rewards in Ray. So I have 0.008, not much, but something's better than. So if you want to stake LP, see I have 5.7, right? The LP I just got. So what I can do is uh, I can do max, and I just want to kind of then confirm. Then again, same process. You have to, I don't know why. Okay, transaction sent. So it will be basically there. So I think I had 1101. Will be a little bit more. Yep, see 1101. So 1203. So I added basically $100 worth. So I should be getting a little bit more harvest. So yeah, that's it pretty much, right? So now I should be getting this 45% API. Just pray Ray and Soul kind of stay same, don't drop, right? So that's, I mean, guess if they both go up, my value will be kind of up too. But yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to kind of go through. If you have any question or comment, let me know, or if you want me to make video and anything else, let me know. But other than that, have a great day, and thank you. Great one. Bye.